Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to make a bird and bird cage hat. Pretty simple. There's two different ways to make the hat and the cage. For right now, we're going to teach you kind of, I guess, a simpler way. Um, First, you start off with a balloon, and you're going to make a hat. Okay, just as simple, like the first hat you've ever made. Make sure it's stretched out nice and long because it needs to be. Start off with this. Measure my own head. Make sure it's long, okay? And that it makes a good, nice, round shape. Because you can't be making these, right? The weird hats that don't fit right, and because it's just going to screw everything up. Make sure it's long. Okay, perfect. Fit like that. Make sure like it's something that there's going to have a little bit of space in between. Make sure it's nice and big. It's very important. Okay. From here, you're going to make four 3/4 balloons. You're going to tie 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you got 4 corners, basically 4 balloons coming up, and that's going to be the cage. I like to use the same color, but do whatever you want. It kind of makes it look more like a cage when it's all one color. I like to use goldenrod because golden cages and whatnot, but do what you want. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now that you got, I thought I counted wrong. Now that you got all 4, do your best to make sure they're all the same length. Right, if they're not, stretch it out to where they are and start connecting. Okay. Or in the middle. The other side. Okay. One in the front. One in the back. Okay. This is the top of the hat. What you're going to do is climb up to the top. Grab all of them together. Push them. I like to push one to the middle and it kind of locks it in place. You're going to see this one's a little bit shorter and it's kind of pulling the whole thing this way a little bit. So I'll stretch that one out. And that should fix it. Okay, so what helps make this look more like a bird cage is take the top about a third of the way down. I kind of just put a little crank in it. Like so. Alright. I pop these out at the end, so it's kind of like a wow factor. I don't know why people lose their minds when it happens. Okay, for this, I put off to the side. For the bird, it's very similar to, it's like a mix between the dog and the penguin. So what we're going to do is, this is just one type of bird, okay? Start off just like you were doing the penguin. I'm going to make it penguin colors just so you can see. Okay, these two together just like the penguin. Forward and back just like the penguin. Face twist just like the penguin. Alright. down, just like the penguin. Two cheeks. Alright, this is where it's different. Okay? So we're up to this point with the penguin. Instead of making two eyes with this real quick, we're going to change this and start making like the dog eyes. Bring those both together. Pinch twist up top. Come back down. Okay. I'm going to put it right in the neck. Basically, it still looks like a penguin, pretty much. Alright, but the penguin we do a little bit different. We got the... Okay, from here. When you leave this long one, because this can still serve as the parrot's tail. Okay, so you bring it down one more time. So, okay, we got the tail. You end up having 1, 2, 3, 4 black body parts, and then the chest, whatever. The chest is always white. Make the black, whatever color the kid wants. Let's do the beak and the feet. Take this, tie it into the top. Into the neck part, just like you would make a penguin. Alright? But this is where you make the beak a little bit bigger. Okay, make it about that big. And then make another bubble about that big. That way when it goes in, makes that little beak. Pop it on. I leave a little bit of the orange so the back of the neck, so it props it up. That way, otherwise the neck will be like that. So it kind of keeps it straight. Alright. From here, take this, tie it into the pinch twist you made at the bottom. Like so. And then just one loop twist. Trust me, it looks a lot better when it's not penguin colors. Alright, so, put the feet like that. Arms like that. I like to bend this just a little bit, that way it kind of like keeps a little hook bill. Okay, from here, grab a, I like to use gray, this is going to be for the swing. Go about halfway. Make 2 pinch twists, like so. Feed this through the foot. Tie this to this. Make sure these are all center. And basically that's the swing. I bring this in between these two. That way it's kind of coming out the top there. And from here, you take your hat. You're going to take this and tie it right into the middle here. Alright. So now you have the birdcage on your head. Obviously eyes on each side, like you would make Pluto. Pop these out so people can lose it. You're all set. Bird and Birdcage. Bye.